Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. So first, I want to apologize for the late stream. It's around midnight right now, so it's 12:05 a.m. here in Mountain Standard Time. So the market opens at around 7:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time here in Arizona as of right now. And I wanted to cover this very quick topic. So I'm just going to get straight to it. First of all, for those that are not familiar with who it is that I am, I run the largest YouTube channel and also the largest Facebook group for those who invest in the stock market. And obviously, you guys know that the links are below and stuff like that. So what I wanted to talk about is this real quick thing. I was just researching different natural gas prices, just doing a little bit more fundamental kind of like analysis, right? To see if there's any catalyst that could have driven the price up or down. And I came across this little article right here. So so for those that are tuning in live right now, you might have to refresh your screen to be able to see it. I'm going to plug the link down in the description for this article so you guys can do your own analysis and stuff like that. So let me exit this out. But pretty much what this came down to is this article breaks down that in Texas, it got down to a point where this specific type of surging U.S. oil productions in Permian, right, basin ended up having to at one point sell oil, right, or natural gas at below 25 cents. So they were paying people for them to take it away, right, these barrels. Altogether, what it came down to was, again, this article was released about 7 hours ago, around 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. And again, I'm going to pin that thing down in the description. But on the 1 day, 1 minute chart, you could see that, as the market opened, there's quite a bit of a change in how natural gas closed and then how it specifically opened during the extended hours, right? So right around that general area was when we started to see somewhat of a downtrend. It consolidated for quite some time, and then once it broke that support, that it really struggled to break pretty much all during closing hours, right, of market open today was right around 4.60. Looking at it makes sense. Now it's starting to show a little bit more signs of a downtrend. It's trading between the middle and bottom VWAP. This means nothing if natural gas recovers by market open. If natural gas recovers and opens at a higher price point, than where it closed at, the natural gas and UGAS, the correlating ETFs, will most likely continue to uptrend. The reason that this is so important is check out my recap today, right? I've kept you guys up to date with my overall profits. If you guys follow me on YouTube, if you guys follow me on Instagram, right? I traded live on Instagram if you guys wanted to check that out. And I trade live every morning with the Learn Plan Profit Group. One of the videos that I filmed today was I was screen recording, on one of my trades on how I went from being down on a position to green, right? And I cleared a little bit over $1,000, right? I recovered a little bit over $1,000. And I've been really having a huge focus on natural gas. So I wanted to provide you with this article for you to do your own analysis and see what you come up with. But the reason why is when I was scrolling through this, I clicked on this and it reminded me about a bunch of the frequently asked questions that I've been getting. What are the different factors, right, that act as a positive or negative catalyst for natural gas? I've had a huge focus in trading ETFs that deal with the correlation of natural gas, UGAS and DGAS for my instance. These are a series of factors for those that want to dedicate time and learn a little bit more about, again, what causes natural gas to go up and what causes natural gas to go down. If you're someone that's been doing well with natural gas, simply with the technical analysis of it, that's great. And if this is your bread and butter, just like I do and just like every other ETF trader out there does, it would make sense to dedicate a little bit more time to be more on top of the game of understanding what is going to act as a positive and negative catalyst. That's all this video is about, to provide you an article and giving you an update, right, on, hey, are natural gases then going to continue to trend up, or on the 180-day chart, on the technical standpoint, looking at where it's at right now, based on previous resistance levels, it might have a little bit more to give, right? But it also makes sense that as it hits this general area, that like it did today, that it could make sense that it could pull back to this EMA line, just like it's done before, right? That it pulls back to this EMA line. That would make sense. which means that it would be a green day for DGAS and a red day for UGAS. The MACD bar almost looks like a confirmation, not just yet, and the RSI bar showing signs of a potential pullback. Again, just something on the technical standpoint in which you could use as a reference, but it's also very important on the fundamental standpoint to understand these different factors, right? Natural gas production, net imports, the underground storage levels, cold weather, just like we've talked about, lower temperatures increases the demand for heating, while hot weather, higher temperatures, increases the demand for cooling. And overall, like increases natural gas demand for electric power plants, stuff like that. Again, something very basic, but these are the main things. You guys were already aware of, I mean, we've talked about it before, right? I made a video 4 weeks ago before I started my splurge on trading natural gas. Watch any of my recap videos. Watch the video that I uploaded 4 weeks ago that talked about gas prices. The forecast for the weather ended up being colder than expected, so the natural gas prices shot up. More, again, consumption of natural gas means that there's going to be a higher demand for natural gas, right? And then, again, these different factors, natural gas production, net imports, and underground storage levels, something that you might want to dedicate a little bit more time to. Again, if natural gas is your bread and butter. If you don't care about it and it's nothing that concerns you, then yeah, probably not worth the investment. But again, if you're trading these every single day and you want to be on top of your game, if you have an extra 5-10 minutes, maybe learning a little bit more about what it is that you're investing in on the fundamental standpoint can maybe give you an edge that other traders do not. That's the whole point of this video. So, yeah. All right. So, yeah, I know that it's pretty late. I just really wanted to make this video to make sure that you guys understood that not only on the technical standpoint is it important to, be very well versed in, but as well to have an edge on the fundamental standpoint and making sure that you are 100% comfortable, right? The more comfortable that you become, the more comfortable you are going to be with the investment and with the risk that you're about to take. That's simple. So again, let me upload this video. So right now I'm live. I'll let it upload and then I'll plug the link so you guys can read that article. And if you come up with any news or anything you want to share, feel free to comment it down below of what you've experienced trading natural gas, ETFs, or just natural gas in general during the seasons and stuff like that. Again, even if it's repetitive, the more you share, the more that it'll stick and the more that you'll know. So thank you guys again so much for your time. I do want to invite you, so it's not going to be tomorrow, or I guess today. So I guess today, now it's Thursday, 12 a.m. But it's not going to be on Thursday, but Friday morning, I'm going to be hosting my free live trading. I do this once a month. You guys know that my Learn, Plan, Profit members get to watch me trade live every single morning. If you're not part of Learn, Plan, Profit and you want to get the ability to watch me trade live, again, it's not tomorrow, but the next day, all you have to do is put in your name, put in your email, and we will send you the invite code tonight. So within about, like 20 hours, if you sign up with your name and email, that's all. We'll send you an email with the unlisted link to the live stream that we're going to be hosting if you want to watch me trade live Friday morning. So it's 100% for free. So you just have to enter your name and your email and we'll send it out to you. And again, if you're already part of Learn, Plan, Profit, or if you want to enroll, that's going to be the second link in the description. And then the last thing is if you want to join TechButt Solutions, that's the fourth link, if I'm not mistaken. It says free Facebook group and stuff like that. We have over 170,000 members. So I wish you guys an amazing night. Thank you guys again for your time. I'm sorry for the delay. So, and yeah, that's really just it. So I made 60% this past month. All credits to you, Ricky. Well, I saw that. So congrats on all that. I really do appreciate your guys' time. Continue working hard. Continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.